Hey, what's up everybody? It's Royce from Palomel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be cracking open this new RLC 1985 Audi Sport Quattro S1 race car, and we will get right into it. Here, of course, is the packaging. You want to pause and read it. My initial thoughts are looks really awesome. Pretty excited about this one. I'm a huge short wheelbase Quattro fan. I collect a lot of Audi SWB items, as Chester barks in the background. Does have a plastic base. The 20 valve 5-cylinder turbocharged motor. This is another premium one. This one actually has a metal base though, but this does not have the wide body work on that one. Does have gold Spectra Flame paint in between. I know online I saw a lot of people complaining about that, but I think it looks pretty cool. I think it works really well. I do like the white roll bar inside. Looks awesome. The one in the foreground does not have any opening parts. I think they did a great job on this one. Looks awesome. The other thing, I've seen some complaints. People said they should have made it a main line, but I don't know. I think it's nice when they release them as a RLC car. Maybe they'll eventually make one in the Pikes Peak livery. Would be really cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Looks awesome. Let me stop this and get a better look at the caboose here on it. It looks really, really freaking cool. Hard to tell what's going on with the interior. Even in person, I can't really see what's going on with it, to be honest with you. Everything looks like black to me. An absolute beast of a car. Alright, so if you like this type of video, be sure to give me a share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free and you can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. Talk to you soon.